In this video, I want to showcase how to use the platform that powers a part of our cold email infrastructure that allows us to send thousands of cold emails every single day that books us over 500 demos every single month. So without further ado, let me explain what Primeforge does, how to use it to set up your domains and mailboxes for the best results possible, and tell you exactly why you should use it, as well as alternatives that you can use to Primeforge. So first, what is Primeforge? Primeforge is basically cold email infrastructure provider that uses Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 mailboxes that are set up for cold outreach. These are not education mailboxes or mailboxes with third world country IPs. No, they are properly set up Google and Microsoft mailboxes designed for cold outreach. And there are a couple reasons why you may want to use it. First of all, is it's more affordable than going directly to Google or Microsoft. Second, the setup is super simple. As you'll see in a few minutes, it literally takes like 5 minutes to set up. And lastly is because Google and Microsoft are one of the best options when it comes to cold email outreach. Using these softwares, you can do ESP matching, which increases delivery rate. And overall, Google and Microsoft are the leading email service providers, which means if you use their mailboxes, you have higher reputation right away. So now let's begin with the tutorial showcasing how to set up domains, how to set up mailboxes, and how to connect Primeforge to any email sending software to start doing outreach. So first, you'll of course want to log in. Once you log in, you'll end up on the domains tab. You need to acquire some domains so we could actually create the mailboxes using those domains. To do that, click Create Domains, select which platform you want, whether Google or Microsoft. Let's go with Google. The tutorial is the same for both. Add your primary domain, for example, cloner.com, and select the domains that you want to purchase. Now, if you do not know how many domains you should buy, I suggest going to Mailbox Calculator. Here you can calculate how many mailboxes and domains you need to reach out to your desired amount of contacts every single month. For example, if you want to send 2 emails, or let's say 3 emails per contact, like 1 email and 2 follow-ups, and you want to have 2 mailboxes per domain and reach out to 10,000 contacts every single month, you'll need 25 domains and 50 mailboxes. This is following the best practices. So if that's the case, you would go ahead and buy 25 domains. Now for this example, we're just having 4. Once you select the ones you want to purchase, click Next, add forwarding, so people who enter and visit trywithcloner.com or your website, like tryyourwebsite.com, actually end up on the primary domain on your main website. The reason we're buying secondary domains is to ensure that if anything goes wrong, our other emails of the software are not going to spam. We're keeping it safe by using secondary domains, but we still want people visiting secondary domains to end up on our primary domain. So here you add your primary domain, click Next, add contact details to check out, click Next. After that, you'll be able to create mailboxes. To do that, you can simply add images, add name, first name, last name, select the domain you want to use for the mailboxes, or what you can do also is auto-generate. Doing this is super simple. You select which domains you want to use, you select number of mailboxes per domain, let's say 2, you click Next, select name types, I usually do random, you can do predefined if you want, add image for the best results possible, because if you look like anonymous person, of course your reply rate will be lower, add a signature, and generate the mailboxes. That's all it's going to take to create domains and mailboxes for cold email outreach, but that's not all. What you can do is create a GIF using your images. For example, here we have an image that's changing between my face, a thumbnail, and LinkedIn. Here you would upload your own face and your company logo, and this GIF, profile picture GIF, actually increases open rate by a ton, which is a great way to increase your open rate, and that's exactly why we want to use apps like Primeforge to set up your domains and mailboxes. Click confirm, and that's it. You have your domains and mailboxes created, but that's not all. Once you have your mailboxes created, what you want to do is add them to a warm-up pool. Basically, warm-up pool, what it does is it acts like a real user. It sends out emails, it reads emails, and this way it builds up a reputation so you could actually start doing outreach. And adding these mailboxes to a warm-up pool is super easy. You click export, export to Primeforge, and that's it. You'll automate warm-up right there. You'll be able to monitor your warm-up status, turn it on and off. You'll be able to monitor how your domain health check, your mailbox health. You'll see if you're in any blacklists or not. You'll see your settings and signature, right? Now, if you want to export and start doing outreach, what you can do is simply click Export Mailboxes to Salesforge, which is a cold email outreach platform. Exporting to it is super simple. You select a workspace, you export to Salesforge, you connect your mailboxes to a sequence sequence and you start doing outreach. And the reason we want to use Salesforge is because it allows unlimited multi-channel outreach. But that's not all. Now, if you want a tutorial on Salesforge, I'll link it down in the description below. Another thing what you can do with Primeforge is purchase pre-warmed mailboxes. Basically, mailboxes that do not need the initial warm-up phase. They should still be in a warm-up pool and connected, but you do not need to wait 2 weeks for them to warm up before you can do any outreach. This way, if you're in a hurry and you want to start and begin doing outreach as soon as possible, you should go with pre-warmed mailboxes. And doing that is super simple. You go to pre-warmed mailboxes, you select the mailboxes you want to purchase. Is it Google? Is it Microsoft? Is it both? You continue, you add your primary domain. This is the domain that people will end up on if they search up your secondary domain. So again, it would be your main domain. Click next, review the mailboxes you'll get. As you can see, all the images are set up. Click next and check out. And that's it. You right away get mailboxes ready for cold email outreach. This is literally the fastest and best setup for cold email infrastructure. And it's the only reason we can book 500 demos every single month. Now, the thing is, Primeforge is not the only thing we use. For the best results and less risk of burning your infrastructure, you need to diversify. That's why we also use products like Mailforge for shared infrastructure and InfraForge for private email infrastructure to power our cold email outreach efforts. So if you want to check out tutorials on those tools, they're pretty similar to this one, but you'll find them on our channel. If you want to see how to use Warmforge and every single feature on it, there will also be a video in our channel. If you have any requests on how to run outreach, generate leads, or have any questions about any of our products, leave them in the comments down below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.